Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, my teammate and I are going to present about Electronic Data Interchange. Before that, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Nur Fakiha binti Muhammad Shukri and my last digit number is 1060.
And hi, my name is Nur Shamimi binti Muhammad Yunus and my last digit number is 1058.
Hi, my name is Nur Izzati binti Ismail and my last digit number is 1001.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fadila Chan binti Salim. My last digit number is 1040.
Okay, so let's dive in, starting with definition of Electronic Data Interchange. Electronic Data Interchange, or EDI, is electronic interchange of business information using a standardized format, which is a process can allow one company to send information to another company electronically rather than using paper. Business entities conducting business electronically are called trading partners. Next is EDI codes. So this is 7 common types of EDI transaction. So we have EDI 997, which is for functional acknowledgement, EDI 940 for warehouse shipping order. Next is EDI 856 for ship notice or manifest, EDI 810 for invoice, EDI 850 for purchase order. We also have EDI 855 for purchase order acknowledgement, which is it responds to EDI a purchase order. Usually sent by retailer to their supply, it confirms the order receipt and outline the agreement. Lastly is EDI 820, which is for payment order or remittance advance. This EDI code sent by supplier in response to EDI 810, which is invoice. It provides payment details like amount and dates. Now let's talk about benefits of EDI. Using EDI can save our time, increase security, and reduce error. By preparing invoice, processing purchase order, and data entry are time-consuming in non-EDI environment. With EDI, you can use low-code environments to easily automate common file processing and sharing steps, which can save time and effort. Besides, with EDI, you can better control user access and authentication. EDI uses a combination of authentication and encryption to control who can access certain files. The electronic system is much more secure than traditional paper-first method. Last but not least, because of EDI's automatic processing, you can avoid manual data entry errors. EDI can also help with the detection of errors and data anomalies in documents. A higher accuracy rate in document further adds to data processing efficiency with this method.
Next is transaction authorization and validation. Transaction validation compares any transaction to your business rules as they are sent and received through our cloud-based B2B trading network. This provides immediate notification when a transaction does not comply with your internal control before it is passed to your business system for integration. Two-way matching compares invoice to purchase order, ensuring item, quantities, and invoice amount match or are within tolerance. Three-way matching ensure invoice, purchase order, and ship notice match or are within tolerance. Compare invoice and remittance advice to ensure payment integrity. Validation benefit. There are 3 validation benefits. The first one is ensure transaction match or are within your business tolerance before they reach your internal system. Second one is automatically accept or reject transaction with message to both parties or hold until approved or rejected. The last one is email alert. AD application advice 824 or both can be provided for all discrepancies.
Next part is access control. Access control is to prevent unauthorized personnel from accessing the activity data or activating unauthorized transaction through the EDI network. Certain access control are necessary, and access control have a 2 types. The first one is physical control and the second one is a program control. Physical control includes security measures such as paying computer and terminal in designated area only, locking computer room, and employee security guard. Only authorized personnel should be allowed to enter computer room. For additional security, some terminals should be designed to retrieve data only. Personnel needing data but not authorized to enter data could utilize those terminals. The second one is a program control. Program control include assignment of password and employee identification code with various data processing capabilities. For example, personnel of the department could be assigned password that enable them to access the purchase order file and the vendor delivery notify. They will be able to issue receiving report internally as well. However, the system would not allow them to issue purchase order to vendor. The individual member firm password to enter the EDI network should be kept secret, and employee password should be changed often. Only a limited number of employees should have the authorization to know the member firm secret code.
So, let's move on to audit trail. An audit trail refers to a detailed record of transactions that are either computerized or manually documented. It serves as an essential tool in the field of electronic data interchange, EDI, to track and monitor transactions conducted between the parties involved in the data exchange. Next is the maintenance of audit trail. To ensure that every confirmed document received through the EDI network will be duly processed, electronic file log for incoming document should be kept. Historical activity log that record time, content, and operator of action taken through the computer system should be maintained. Periodically, summarized report of document processing should be generated to provide management with a basis for evaluation of the operating procedure. Sufficient audit trail thus enable management to identify source of error and irregularities. Okay, this is the example of use case for audit trail. One use case for an audit trail within the EDI process is tracking transaction between a supplier and customer. Let's consider a scenario where the supplier sends invoice to their customer using an EDI system. The audit trail can be utilized to record each billing transaction, including the date and the time of invoice submission, invoice content, and associated delivery information. This record enables both the supplier and the customer to monitor transaction and maintain a detailed record of communication and billing process.
Next one is internal audit. Internal audit is to ensure that internal control procedures are properly followed and that the control have effectively achieved their objective, and internal audit are necessary. The audit should be performed periodically and sometimes by surprise. Sufficient auditory coupled with successful internal audit can provide management with information about strength and weakness of the current system. Successful audit also detect attack at fraudulent action. Last one is conclusion. Electronic Data Interchange or EDI has revolutionized the way business communicate, offering numerous benefits across various industries, from improved efficiency and cost reduction to accurate supply chain management and better customer service. The advantage of EDI are vast. By adopting EDI, organizations can streamline their operation, gain a competitive edge, and unlock new level of collaboration and efficiency into the digital business landscape. And that's all from us. Thank you.